If you're waiting on the next-gen DJI 360 camera, there's a crucial catch you need to hear first. While an official unboxing isn't here yet, everything has changed. A real prototype has surfaced in the wild, and FCC filings have just blown the lid off what's coming. Is this new iteration a massive generational leap, or just an incremental refresh? Let's break down the specs, the upgrades, the price tag, and the one major disappointment you need to weigh before you hit pre-order. Let's start with the physical build. Based on recent prototype images, DJI is sticking with what works, retaining that familiar square-shaped body with the dual-lens setup position right up top. That is genuinely great news for current owners. It means DJI is likely preserving backwards compatibility with your existing mounting hardware, lens guards, and the broader Osmo accessory ecosystem. You won't have to throw out your favorite gear just to upgrade the core camera body. The first confirmed internal upgrade comes straight from the FCC database, the battery. The new model lists a 2,150 mAh battery, stepping up from the 1,950 mAh cell in the first generation. That represents roughly a 10% increase in capacity. While DJI hasn't officially published runtime ratings yet, that extra juice should translate to slightly longer uninterrupted shooting sessions, something heavily needed when pushing high-resolution 360 files. Now, what about the glass and the sensors? This is where things get a little nuanced. Leaks suggest DJI is keeping the same foundational hardware, dual 1/1.1-inch Type-C MOS sensors, delivering an effective 1-inch equivalent area in a 4:3 configuration, capable of dropping 12-megapixel photos and native 8K 360 video. But don't write it off just yet. The software and processing side bring a major win. Reports point to 8K recording it up to 60 frames per second, bumping past the original's 50 FPS cap. For fast-paced action sports, cycling, and travel vlogs, those extra 10 frames per second make a massive difference in motion smoothness. Under the hood, connectivity is getting a modern overhaul with Wi-Fi 6 for rapid file transfers, alongside NFC integration for instant, frictionless smartphone pairing. As for retail packages, expect DJI to stick to its tiered playbook, standard boxes with basics like a protective pouch and cable, up to adventure combos featuring multi-functional battery cases and invisible selfie sticks. Price-wise, early retail estimates place it somewhere between $499 and $579, aligning closely with the original's $549 launch price. Which brings us to the core issue and the potential disappointment. Because the core glass and sensor architecture remain largely identical, this might not deliver a sweeping, night-and-day leap in raw image fidelity. Plus, high frame rate rendering on compact 360 bodies always sparks questions around thermal performance during extended shoots. So should you wait? If you're in the market for a high-end 360 camera and aren't in an immediate rush, yes. With FCC confirmation and actual hardware and testing, it's right around the corner. Drop a comment below. Are you holding out for this new model or sticking with current gen gear? Hit subscribe if you want to stay ahead of the leaks, and I'll catch you in the next one.